play? Moving now. Yes, you can. Again, mode 3 times quickly. Change it to the back view. Can't see his flag right on my butt cheek. Stay in there too. Works well. That green light blinking means GPS is tracking. Has to be an external antenna on some of these models, better ones. Professionally installed. Get it installed at your Navi shop. Don't try to do it yourself. Because they run the fucking wires all through the car. Bye. It is readable. I don't know if you can read it on the movie camera, but I can read it on my navigation. Mo 2810. P. See your navigation as well. Click mode 3 times quickly. Change it to the front view. Alright, just pulled into the office. And when you get ready to park, you don't have to do anything. The engine's still running. Everything's all good. You want to see what's behind you? Mode button 3 times. Parking lot's relatively clear. And all you got to do to put it in parking mode is, what do you think? Absolutely nothing. You just turn off the car. Takes a couple seconds for the GPS to wind down. Take the key out, and it'll sense that you've turned off the car, and it will go automatically into parking mode. Ta-da! Okay, so I have taken the chip out of the unit in the car. I went ahead and got an 8GB chip. I really don't think you need that much, but I don't know yet. Standard is 4. You also need to have an SD card reader. Mine didn't come with mine, and I forgot to tell him to include it, so I had to go out and buy one. Alright, now you'll need to plug that into your PC's USB port as such. Okay, that took about 5 minutes. I'm really starting to think that we really don't need an 8GB chip. Probably a 4GB would do it. Alright, we just click OK. And now, supposedly, all that data from the chip is on the computer. Alright, now let's find out. Okay, I'm doing this first time too, so let's do it together. How about open file? Nope. Search file. Do that log. First time diving longbow. First folder, nope. Open file's gotta be. There's probably so much data in there that I want to know which one you want to open. Alright, so the software itself will automatically install it on your C drive, and it'll automatically make a folder called BlackBox. That. We have capture, decryption, event, and SD card. Event is something happening. SD card. Alright, go into the SD card. It has 3 more. BlackBox, event, parking, BlackBox. Alright, these are the folders, and that's the date. 2010, October 6, and this is the time, I believe, 1000, 1700, 1730, 1830, etc. What the hell's today anyway? It's the 9th. I'm looking for the 8th. Alright, go back to computer. What am I doing? BlackBox, SD, BlackBox. Alright. I want to see how the over recording did. So from 2200 the 7th to the 8th to 1000. Alright, let's check that. Yesterday 1000. And let's click that. It's loaded down here into your... Alright, here we go. On the way to work. Forward view. Rear view. Okay. Speedometer, accelerometer, sound is included. Click twice to make full screen. Not a bad picture. Okay, it goes for 1 minute at a time, and then you got to pull in another file. I didn't realize that much. Okay, well, let me get another file loaded in. Be right back. Alright, so the question always was, is the rear camera good enough to get a license plate number? I loaded in a file 102958 on the 8th. Let's see what happens. Talk on the phone. Don't forget you are being recorded. We can hear everything. Again, double click full screen forward view. Double click full screen rear view. Here comes somebody right behind me. And it looks pretty clear to me. 1227, baby. Alright, and then down here, view map. Let's start that again. Somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to do it. It's a GPS tracker. traces where you were. And with this animated map on Google, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can go to satellite view, but there's no zoom in, zoom out on the satellite view. Well, let's zoom out, but that's as far as you can go in. Sitting there parked, waiting for the light or whatever. But it traces well. Let's rewind it and do it again.
Somebody's got to do it.
I guess we'll just trace here. I won't rewind on the trace. Alright, let me load in another file on the highway. Close that.